Most of Ocean Boulevard was designed and constructed under state regulations and maintained by the state. And when the roads were built and the drainage was installed, it was installed to a different design standard than we currently use today. So the pipes were undersized, which led to a backup of water on the roadway when we received a heavy rain, which ultimately led to us having to close that roadway due to it was unsafe to drive through the depth of water that was standing in that road. What Bolton Menk did is went back on about 20 years worth of experience we had in the Grand Strand area of looking at ways to resolve water capacity and water quality issues on storm drainage systems that were discharging to the ocean. Bolton and Menk came up with the resulting design to bury this pipe beneath the seafloor and discharge at a location 1,300 feet or so offshore. By discharging the water farther offshore, we are removing that stormwater discharge from the public contact area, and we are resolving that water quality issue. The primary impact to the community has been temporary inconvenience during construction. I think that's a short-term impact, not more than 12 months or so for the adjoining property owners, but we feel like that temporary inconvenience will be largely offset by the long-term impact of not seeing a pipe on the beach in front of their property, not seeing the water quality impairments that may be within the near shore swimming area on the ocean, and also not seeing flooding within their neighborhoods in the adjacent blocks. And once the project is complete, we will restore all the construction areas to the way we found them. One of these ocean outfall programs can remove as many as 4 or 5 open pipes that you have to look at and avoid on a beach on a daily basis. We were already having problems up and down the Grand Strand area, which covers 27 miles of beach. So the water quality in the ocean, the stormwater capacity discharging to an ocean was a regional problem. So when North Myrtle Beach did the first pilot program over 20 years ago, we have found that adjacent communities are now using the same concept to resolve their stormwater quality problems and their stormwater capacity problems. So we think that kind of as a leader in this solution, that we have identified the best way and the most economical way to solve those issues for the entire region. We've had good success with Bolton and Menk in doing these projects because they have the experience in the program and they can design and implement these projects effectively.